Generally, there are 4 construction contracts: lump sum, unit price, cost plus, and target cost. Lump sum is the fixed price for all activities in the project. All risks are in contractor side, not the client side. There would be a penalty for the contractor if the project finishes late. Unit price. The contractor is paid by the items which are specified in the bills of quantity. There is a risk between contractor and the client. Cost plus. It is paid by actual cost, which includes direct and indirect costs, plus fee. It can be a fixed fee or some percentage of costs. All the risks are in client side. Target cost. This is the mixture of lump sum and cost plus contract. It is paid based on the actual costs and plus a certain fee as a fixed fee or a percentage of total cost of project. The risk is in contractor side.